Welcome to Bluff Creek Radio. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Lucas.
Today's special guest is Rochelle.
Hello?
Mind if we ask you some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Could you tell us a little about your connection to Bluff Creek?
Yes, I have a daughter at Bluff Creek Elementary right now that's in 3rd grade, and my son also went to Bluff Creek Elementary, and he's in 7th grade at Chaska Middle School West.
What is it like to be a chemical engineer?
To be a chemical engineer, it is fascinating work. At the same time, it's fun. You get to take a lot of things apart, put a lot of things back together, and kind of figure out how things work.
I understand that you worked on a project in South Texas. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. When I worked at a chemical plant in South Texas, our chemical plant was located approximately 2 miles from the South Texas Project nuclear plant. And our chemical plant being that close proximity, we had to be careful in case we had some sort of vapor cloud or an explosion, that we worked continuously with the nuclear plant for safety purposes. That way that the nuclear plant had time to shut down before anything could devastate the plant.
Is it true that sun can affect garage doors?
Yeah, the sun can affect garage doors. So if the sunbeam is coming down at a certain angle and hits the sensor on the bottom of your garage door opening, that sensor can be blinded, so to speak, so that the laser doesn't cross your garage door opening over to the other laser to allow the garage door to go down. So in that case, if that happens, you can stand in the beam, the angle of the sun, and basically put a shadow over the sensor of the garage door that the sun's affecting, and that way the beam can travel over to the other sensor and allow your garage door to close or to go down.
Oh yeah, that's what happened to my dad. What advice would you give young scientists at Bluff Creek?
My advice to young scientists at Bluff Creek is, if you're looking at going into a science type background, you need to be really good and you need to love math. Of course, you need to love science as well, but math will be your biggest friend, not only to get through middle school, high school, and college, but you will use math continuously, much more than you will any other discipline other than writing and reading. You'll use math continuously as you endeavor into your job.
Thank you, Rochelle, for coming in today.
No problem.
Today's radio podcast was brought to you by Bluff Creek Elementary and Eastern Carver County Schools.